Hi everyone, I'm Error Slayer and today, I'll show you how to fix the CapCut no internet connection error. Before proceeding with the fix, make sure CapCut is not running. First, type VPN settings into the search bar and open it. Then open your web browser and search for VPN Gate. Open this website. Now go back to VPN settings. Click Add a VPN connection. In the VPN provider section, select Windows. The connection name doesn't matter, you can write anything. Now return to the VPN Gate website. Copy the address of any of the servers listed here. Go back to VPN settings and paste the address into the server name section. Select SSTP as the VPN type. You should type VPN in both the username and password fields. This is clearly stated on the VPN Gate website. Finally, click the Save button in the bottom right corner. Now, click on the VPN you added. Then click Connect. You can run CapCut when you see the connected message. I hope this tutorial video on how to fix the CapCut no internet connection error was helpful. If so, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. Have a good day.